mattresses. Kids couldn't get school open. The girls' boys will hold back school. Junior Red meeting for any important members in grades 8 to 12. Thursday, August 15th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the 4-H office. Consultation schedule hunt parents walk to our possession church will be provided. Remember advised motorist that begins Friday, August 9 at 2024. The way Forest Bridge and Boggy Lake in Red River Parish will close through Sunday, August 11, 2024. Make sure it's the same parish coverage lot. Open door closure announced the flag football registrations over. There will be a whole 6-week season begin on Saturday, August 7th. Registration is $50 per child and cover the review force mouthpiece, trophy medal, 18 single photos. Registered online.
Of course, tonight we'll hear from your Aspire LSU quarterback. He's going into his second year as a starter. Think back to the last two guys, their second years as LSU quarterbacks have done pretty well. So a lot of pressure on them. Excellent. Yeah, they dropped some pressure on that. Sometime tonight we'll let you know why one and two could be getting more expensive. Process goes deep, cleaning your entire system. If you've never had your airbags cleaned or it's been a few years, now's the time. With the most certified technicians and best trucks in the industry, it's a clean only Stanley Steamer can provide. Call or click to schedule your appointment. It's a sizzling summer at Hughley's Furniture, where comfort meets freedom, and the deals are hotter than July. Get a brand new mattress for just $2.99. Refresh your space with a full bathroom set for only $7.99. Hurry in for a motion sofa and love seat, and we'll throw in the recliners for absolutely free. Or grab a cozy sectional and get the ottoman for free. Don't miss the sizzling summer sale, only at Hughley's Furniture.
Come stay at Hughley's Furniture, home with the largest selection and the lowest prices.
For 40 years, CC's Pizza has been serving more than endless deliciousness at our pizza buffet. We're about fresh memories served daily. Here's to another 40. The original chocolate dessert is back for a limited time only. Come celebrate with us at CC's.